Good morning, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed the exam and are now feeling refreshed and ready for the last 3 weeks of term. I've been really impressed with the way that you've all dealt with the challenges of the term, given everything that we've had to change due to COVID. And I think you should all be proud of your efforts so far. As I've mentioned before, I'm always happy to receive constructive solutions from pupils and feedback on how things are going. I'd like to thank Amir Gurung for his suggestion that we change the direction of flow in the classroom block so that you go in from the entrance next to North Gate and leave through the doors which open onto Chapel Lawn. This means that you'll be going in the smaller door when there are fewer of you as people arrive at different times, and leave through the larger entrance when classes tend to exit at the same time. We'll start this from tomorrow, and I'm sure that it will help the flow of people through the building. Another group of pupils who should be congratulated are the prefects from Bellaby, who are coordinating a Christmas jumper day in aid of Save the Children. More details will be coming out from Valerie, Joyce, Bridget, Abba and Semfung, but we're aiming to host this event on Friday the 4th of December. So if you haven't already got one, start thinking about creating, adapting or buying your Christmas jumper. The idea of charity and service is a really important one for us to deliver here at school. And there's no better time to do this than at Christmas, a time when we should all be thinking of others, grateful for what we have, and genuinely expressing love for our neighbour. Even looking objectively at things, giving makes us feel better. It makes us think about what we have and puts our lives into perspective. It can often make us feel empowered and happier. Research has found a link between giving to charity and the release of dopamine, which is a hormone in our body which makes us feel good. Giving also stimulates the part of the brain that forms social attachments. So it acts as a reminder that we're all interconnected and part of one globalized society. Charitable giving also increases our idea that we have a responsibility to the world, and it strengthens our social conscience. It would be really easy to simply think about ourselves, particularly at the moment when we can't do the things that we want. Shops and leisure facilities are shut and things just aren't the same. But giving to charity forces us to think about others, to think about the cause that we might be addressing, and to reevaluate our own position. It builds the important quality of empathy. Part of your experience here at school is to develop life skills. Of course, we want you to do the very best you can in your academic careers, and also to succeed in your extracurricular pursuits. However, school is about much more than just that. It's about learning to live with other people, learning to appreciate difference, understanding emotional intelligence, recognizing when other people need help, recognizing your responsibility to society, and understanding that you have a role to play in making the world a better place. Obviously, wearing a Christmas jumper won't immediately give you all of those skills, but an understanding of why charity and service is important will certainly help. So, particularly during this Christmas period, I hope that you will think of others. Think about how you can help those around you, and think about the positive contribution that you can make to your local and global community. I hope that you have a good week.